In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Infographics Designer in Power BI. Start by opening your Power BI desktop app and navigating to one of your existing reports so you have a dataset ready to work with. To bring the Infographic Designer into your report, look over to the Visualizations pane on the right. Click the three dots icon to open the Get More Visuals menu, then choose Get More Visuals. In the search box, type Infographic Designer. When it appears, click Add. You'll know it's installed when a new small chart icon shows up in your Visualizations pane. This adds the custom visual to your toolbox so you can use it like any other chart in Power BI. Now let's place it on the canvas and wire up the data. The Infographic Designer shines with categorical data, like what you typically show in a bar or column chart. Click the Infographic Designer icon to add it to your page. In the Fields pane, drag a categorical field into the category well, something like region or product category works well. Then drag a numerical field, such as total sales or quantity, into the measure well. If the visual looks empty, double check that you've filled both category and measure because it needs both to render. The next step is crucial. Switch into the designer mode. Hover your mouse over the visual on the canvas, and in the visual header, click the edit pencil icon. This opens the designer pane and unlocks the customization options that make infographics pop. Inside the designer, look for the shape layer, usually called shape 1. Click the shape icon to change it to something that matches your data or brand. For example, a box or circle might be clean and minimal, while a themed icon can tell a clearer story at a glance. Keep consistency in mind so your report feels cohesive. While you're in the designer line, click the color bucket icon to refine the palette. Choose colors that contrast well so your categories are easy to distinguish, and consider using your organization's brand colors for a professional look. Subtle tints for less important elements can keep the focus on the key values. You can also add data labels and explanatory text right inside the graphic. Click the Insert Text icon in the designer pane, then type labels like values, percentages, or short captions to reinforce the message. Keep text concise and legible. If it suits your design, you can also add your own image to personalize the visual. Great for logos or themed icons that tie directly to your story. And that's it. You've installed the visual, bound your data, entered designer mode, customized shapes and colors, and added labels and images. Thanks for watching.